nice here. So many animals. Should I move into a forest? Dad, do you like this one? It's amazing, Goldie. And this? Cute. Do you like it? A lot. Mom, let's get a kitten.
No.
Aw, can I at least have Pikachu?
No.
Oh, honey, this is a disaster. Stay strong, Dad. We can handle it together. Here's your home, but be quiet so Mom doesn't find out. Make balls from foil. Attach them to a plastic half sphere. Coat with 2 shades of acrylic paint. Poke ventilation holes with a heated awl. Hide a hamster in a waffle cone. Cover it with the ice cream cap. Hi, Goldie! Is that ice cream? It's cold outside. You are gonna get a sore throat. Give me your ice cream. Even the smell made me sick. Let's see. Take it away right now. Phew, I almost got busted, but you were great. You didn't get caught. I feel so sick. What's that? A hamster? But why? Unbelievable! I should clean my glasses. There you go. No hamsters. I can't believe my eyes. The kitchen is spotless. Who cleaned it? Goldie? No, Dad. It was my raccoon. How cute. Come here, baby. Now I'm gonna have a raccoon instead of a kid.
Wow.
He's cleaner than you, Goldie. I'm kidding. Hee. Dad. You're playing white. Don't cheat. I see that you hit a pawn. Whoa! Are you opening with the Queen's Gambit? I underestimated you. What tea did you drink? Darjeeling? Do you prefer Indian tea? Great choice. Enjoy your tea. Would you like sugar or milk? Nothing? Why are you dipping your pawn in the cup? Oh, I forgot raccoons do that. I won't bother you anymore. Now you are gonna live with me. Goldie, what do you have there? It's just a bottle of Coke.
Oops.
Huh?
Goldie, honey, are you doing anything? Dad, what happened? Your Coke ran away. Oh no, not this! Kids are so absent-minded. Goldie, I'm going shopping. I want to take your shopping bag, if you don't mind. Sure, Mom, no problem. Thanks. Cut bag handles and bottom out of felt. Make a bag from soft glass. Sew it. Cut out holes for handles. Let's see. It's too full of chemicals, but fruit is just what we need. Some cookies for Goldie. Hello! Nice weather we're having. Hi! You must be really hungry. You couldn't wait to taste all the veggies and fruits. I don't understand what you're talking about. Oh, how come? Whoa! I don't get it. I gotta go home. Fish, you are so beautiful. Where do I hide you? I know. You are gonna be really comfortable in this toothbrush cup. Put decorative fish tank stones on the bottom of a clear container. Add artificial seaweed. Put in a cup. Pour water inside and leave the cup empty. Put a fish in the water. Decorate the cap with foam paper. Add a starfish and an anchor. Oh, someone's coming! Hi, Daddy! I'm just, brushing my teeth. Gotta go. fine. Oh, who's here? Are these real fish?
Wow.
Hi, babies. I'll keep you safe. You must be hungry already. Here are some crackers. Eat up. Raccoon, buddy, this is my office. You are gonna be totally safe here. Just don't go anywhere. Raccoon, where are you? Did he run away? I have to take the trash out again. A living dumpster! Who's screaming? What's that? My raccoon! There you are! Come here, buddy. Honey, why are you going through a dumpster? I dropped my watch. I'm trying to find it. I'll help you. No, don't!
Ew.
So gross! Oh, my shirt! I've been looking for it. What do you have here? My shorts! I finally found them! Hello, neighbors! You can go through my trash if you want. That was so awkward. Let's see what else is in here. Whoa, great outfit! Mom, Dad, this is Brad, my new boyfriend.
Huh?
What? Let's go! Is this for me? Pet store delivery? Yeah! Tropical butterflies! Just what you ordered! Look, they are surrounded by butterflies! How romantic! It's like when we were young! Butterflies! What could be more beautiful?
Wow.
I agree! Now pay for your order! But all the butterflies flew away! That's not my problem! Ugh! Here! I'm gonna catch you, winged runaways! My precious box of rubber ducks! Goldie, are these rubber ducks? I was just about to take a bath. No way, Dad! Buy your own ducks! This is gonna be epic! The bath is ready! Ducks, it's showtime! A spa with birds is so much fun! Do you like it, little chick? Whoa!
Wow.
You laid an egg for me! Thanks! You are so sweet! Dad, look at this little cutie! Let's keep this turtle! But Mom can't find out about it! I agree! I have an idea! Are you ready for a wild race? Yeah! Go! I'm almost at the finish line! No way! We'll beat you! What are you doing? Playing games? This is outrageous!
Oops.
Gotta go! You brought this reptile home and you thought I wasn't gonna see it? Mom! Look what I have! Whoa! Living skincare! I've been dreaming about it for so long! Attach a printed under-eye patch logo to a clean skincare container. Poke ventilation holes with a heated awl. Put foam rubber on the bottom. Put snails in the box. It's a great opportunity to have a spa day. My snail! You will make my skin smooth and soft like a peach. Mom has a classic face mask. Hang on, where's the snail? Oh no! It ate Mom's cucumbers! Come here, little foodie! No! Put it back! This is heaven! I need to open my living skincare salon! It'll be so popular! You'll see it! Snail mucus is highly effective! I love it! It makes your skin younger by healing and regenerating it! Better than any lotion or mask! Thank you!
Wow.
I'd pay any money for it! This is gonna be a really lucrative business! Stop! Goldie, where are you going? Look at the news! What's in your cup? My new pets! Worms!
Wow.
Whoa! These are great worms! They will be perfect for fishing! Fishing is nice, but I won't give you my worms! in here. Sweet dreams. It's time. My lucky fishing hat. Check. Dad, you'd be so proud of me. I'm all set for fishing. Goldie is sleeping tonight. I'm not waking her up. And you, cute worms, are coming with me. Do you like your new home? Who will reach their room first? We are having so much fun. What a nice morning. Oh no! Where are my worms? Did they crawl away? Mommy! Daddy! Meet my new pet! Vacuum Pete! Isn't he the cutest? Great choice, Goldie! You can keep this pet! Yay! My parents finally said yes! Pete, we're going for a walk! Let's go, cutie! Follow me! What's wrong with her? Catch up! I haven't seen anything like this before! But it cleans the leaves very well! Did you like our video? Then comment below if you have ever hidden animals from your parents! And don't forget to give this video a like! Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.